The rehabilitation of EDSA Phase 1 is 40% complete. That's according to Public Works Secretary Vince Dizon. Phase 1 of the EDSA project covers Rojas Boulevard to Orense, Guadalupe. He says the ongoing rehabilitation is going smoothly with minimal inconvenience to the public. Dizon inspected the stretch of EDSA busway at Taft Avenue Station to ensure that the rehabilitation of the road network would be completed as scheduled.